Right, just to let you guys know this. Right, so guys, what we're going to do is when I hit one, you will turn and keep turning on one. So what we're going to do is a pistol duel. Okay, to one. I'm going to count down from 5 to 1. You're going to walk forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, shoot. Well done. To do is a pistol duel. Okay, down from 5 to 1. You're going to walk forward. When I hit you one on the first shot, keep shooting until somebody is hit. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Well done. I'm just going to run through it quickly again. As I'm counting down from 5 to 1, you walk. If nobody is hit, keep shooting until somebody is hit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot! For that cone. Go on, Dave. That was a good one.